Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. For this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you how you can log in into the online banking account of TwoRivers.Bank. Now to begin the process, you open the web page of the bank on your browser. So open any browser on your PC and on the search bar you type in TwoRivers.Bank and press enter. This will direct you to its official web page of the bank. Here you need to click on the login on the top right corner. Here you type in your username and click on login. Once you click on login, you will need to provide your password for the banking account. You type in your password and then click on login, and with that you will be easily logged in into your online banking account. But just in case if you forgot your user ID or the password, you can click on forgot username or forgot password. Here I'll just show you the simple demo for how you can do it. Once you click on forgot user ID, here you type in the email address that you have provided during your account creation and click on continue. With this, the bank will send you the further instruction for how you can recover your user ID. It's similar with the forgot password as well. Here you type in your username and click on continue, and you will be directed to the another page for recovering process of your password. This is how you can easily log in and also recover your account credential for the TwoRivers.Bank. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and update. Thank you.